Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to find favorites on your iPhone iOS 18. Basically iPhone simply organizes your data in many apps like contacts, photos and any other apps saved as favorites. So if you want to find that favorite section on your iPhone for Safari, photos and contacts, so how you can find that. For this, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on settings, and after that you have to go back. Now you have to click on general and you have to click on transfer reset iPhone. Here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. Now you have to go back. Now you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of iPhone on your iOS, and after that you have to go back. Now if you want to check your favorites contacts, then you can simply find it here. As you can see, options are available. Moreover, if you want to find the favorite website, then you have to open the Safari here, and after that you have to look for favorites, and here you can simply click on bookmarks, and after that you can simply click on favorites, and these are the websites you can simply save as your favorite, and you can find all the favorite websites on your iPhone. Now what you can do for photos, you can find favorite folder on the previous version like iOS 17, but for iOS 18 there may be difficulty to find your favorite photos, because favorite photos are that photos that are with the heart icon, which means you can simply click on that heart icon and that photo will be saved as your favorites, and you can simply find that favorites on your photos by simply that heart folder on your iPhone photos. So in this way you can simply find all the favorites, like in the notes you can also find your favorites. Moreover, what you have to do, you have to simply look for the Apple Sports settings so that you can find all the settings related to favorites. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe to our channel.